Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks so much for tuning in. Welcome to my workshop, and today we're going to be working on my 2012 Ford Focus SE Flex Fuel. So today I'm going to be changing the spark plugs on that thing right here. So without further ado, let's go and get started. For this job we're going to need 4 spark plugs, the Motorcraft brand, and we're going to need an extension, a 1/4 inch ratchet with a 8 millimeter socket, and we're also going to need this 3/8 drive socket there with a 5/8 spark plug socket. Alright, so anyways, here we go. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is use this 1/4 inch ratchet to loosen up this 4 bolts that hold in this things into place, spark plug coils, whatever they're called. Goes back on there. Oh yeah. Move those aside there. Now for the third one. Now it's 3. Now for the fourth one. Okay, next thing we're going to do is disconnect those things here. This one comes right off easy. And then we'll do the same for the other cylinder, second cylinder. Those clips there, you're just going to push on the clips to push that thing off. And the whole thing should come right off, just like that. Now I'm just going to place them in order so I don't mix them up. I'll just put 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Next, I'm just going to go right in here and just take one off at a time. Oh yeah, it's coming. There we go. Now this one's full of carbon deposits, so I'm going to have to replace this one. Put one. Now we'll do spark plug number 2. Oops, sorry about that. Oh yeah, it's coming. Finally, this one not too bad. Sorry, Mike. Now we'll do spark plug cylinder number 3. finally, this one. I'll just set this one aside. Right here. Now for spark plug cylinder number 4. Almost there. Okay. I'll just set that one aside there too. And now I'll just compare the new spark plugs. Alright, so I just got the new spark plugs here, all 4 of them. They're just iridium spark plugs. So first, right before we put the new ones in, we just got to check the gap first. Even if they're pre-gapped, it's always important you always check the gap before you put new ones in. So it's 0.035. Now for this one, spark plug number 2, 0.35. Now this one here, 0.35. Now for spark plug number 4. 0.35. Okay, so I think we're ready to put them on now. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and put this one in here. We just gotta hand tighten it first, so we want to avoid stripping. Oh yeah, it's coming. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my ratchet and just tighten it in the rest of the way. Okay. Now for this one. We'll just have to hand tighten them, any individual one. Okay, I'm just going to grab my ratchet again, tighten it in the rest of the way. Okay, now for this one. I'm going to grab my ratchet again. There. Okay, now for this one, spark plug number 4. This one in here. You just gotta be very careful with those ones. You just gotta hand tighten it first, so we don't cross thread it. If you cross thread it, then it's not good. You just gotta back it out and start all over. Okay, I'm just gonna grab my ratchet again. Like this here. Okay, done. Now I'm just gonna put those things back on, and then we'll be done. Line them up, and then we'll give it a test. Sorry about that. I mean, once we're done this, we can go and test it. And these things just go on like so. And then we'll tighten them in, put our bolts back in there. There we go. I'm just going to double check the connections and make sure they're in correctly. Yep, in this case they are, so put our bolts back in here. 3 and 4. Just got to hand tighten them.
Road Dog Trucking, Channel 146 is trucking news every hour and talk for truckers with Gabe Nemo, Chris T. and Mary Oaks, and Jonesy's All-Night Truck Stop. To see all the channels in our entertainment category, choose categories on your radio and scroll to entertainment.
Okay.
Now here's what's on all our news and public radio channels. Hear the major TV news channels through your Sirius XM radio. The latest business and financial news is on CNBC, Channel 112. Featuring Mad Money with Jim.
Now I'm just going to grab my ratchet and tighten it in.
Channel 113 is the Fox Business Network, featuring Reed Downs, Neil Cavuto, Maria Bartiromo, and Don Ives. Fox News, Channel 114, features John Hannity, Bill O'Reilly, and Greta Van Susteren.
Okay, this one's tight now.
Channel 115.
Now for this one. Okay. There, we're done. Now we can go and test it. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video of me changing the spark plugs on my 2012 Ford Focus. Be sure to stay tuned next time for more videos, and remember, as always, like, subscribe, favorite, and don't forget to check out my other videos as well. And don't forget to follow me on social media. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's always a lot more where it came from. Take care.